Hi, and welcome to Wireworks' LGXtra 4U patch panel installation video. Wireworks' LGXtra 4U patch panel is an advanced LGX profile chassis. Adapter strips or cassettes can be installed into the 14 standard LGX cutout slots or 28 half-height LGX form factor slots using their push-pin mechanism, allowing a capacity up to 336 fibers. Now let's start with the installation. The panel comes in a default 19-inch rack configuration. For a recessed configuration, simply unscrew the side brackets, rotate it 180 degrees, and refasten the brackets, as shown here. For a 23-inch rack configuration, rotate and fasten the side brackets in the orientation shown in this example. Next, to mount the panel, first, partially screw in the bottom 2 mounting screws at the desired location on the rack. Then, rest the bottom opening holes of the mounting brackets onto the screws. Proceed to fasten the remaining top screws, then ensure that all screws are completely fastened. The front of the panel consists of a magnetic door that can be opened to access the front patching area that contains 14 adapter strip slots. The front cable routing is made easy using the top and bottom magnetic cable bundle managers to route and organize patch cords in the panel, as shown here. For labeling, with the front door open, flip the transparent window and place the provided self-adhesive identification labels as shown here. This allows the labels to be seen with the front door open or closed. To access the rear of the panel, start by removing the magnetic cover. If space permits, the top of the panel may be removed for better splice tray access by undoing these 4 screws. The cable grip strain relief can be installed on either side of the patch panel using the supplied screws. The rubber inserts can be rotated when securing smaller outer diameter cables, as shown in this example. Here are some cable routing best practices, utilizing the rear magnetic cable manager bundles. Now for splicing, a maximum of 7 next step splice trays is recommended for optimal cable management. For fiber counts above 168 fibers, we recommend using pre-terminated cables or LGXtra patch modules. Another variant of this panel is the LGXtra 4U high-density patch panel, which is an advanced LGX profile chassis that uses a front and rear split design to mount and manage up to 28 mini LGXtra breakout cassettes, 14 front-mounted and 14 rear-mounted, allowing a capacity up to 672 fibers for use in head-end and central office environments. That's it. You're done. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit us on social media or visit us on our website at www.wireworks.com.